Hi, I'm Melanie Shocker, and these are my parents, Willie and Sharon Shocker, and they are my audience for my speech today. And today I'm going to talk to you about how the brain of someone with dyslexia works. What does Walt Disney, Will Smith, Albert Einstein, Henry Ford, Whoopi Goldberg, and George Washington have in common? They all have dyslexia. 1 in 5 suffers from dyslexia. I'm an independent contractor for Haley's Hope in West Fargo, and I tutor individuals with dyslexia. Today I'm going to speak to you about how the brain of someone with a reading disability differs from someone without. What is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a learning difference that makes it difficult to read, write, and spell. For someone with dyslexia, the left side of the brain, which is the side that helps you read, write, and spell, does not work properly. The brain has 2 sides, or 2 hemispheres. The left side is normally smaller than the right side, but someone with dyslexia, the left side is 10% larger. So technically, you could say that someone with dyslexia actually has a bigger brain. So which side of the brain is stronger? Both sides of the brain work together to help you do simple things every day. Typically, one side of the brain is stronger for a person. For example, the left side of the brain helps you read. This is the part of the brain that doesn't work properly in a dyslexic person. So you might say their right side of the brain is stronger. And each side of the brain controls different traits, such as helping you perform certain skills, helping you remember things, helping you react to different conditions, and even helping you feel certain emotions. So we're going to talk about the left side of the brain versus the right side. The left side of your brain is the logical thinking of the idea side of the brain. It works with math and science, verbal skills. The left side of the brain likes order, likes facts, and is the rational thinking side of the brain. The right side is the creative, do the idea side of the brain. Works with arts, music, and sports, visual images. This side of the brain has random order and is the emotional side of the brain. So if you can't remember all of that, think of this picture of Albert Einstein. Now let's talk about how the brain works. The brain is like a little bits circuit. The electrons need to go in certain order to make the invention work. Normally, when a person reads, there is a circuit and pathway of area in the brain that works together to make sense of what is read. So as you can see on this model, everything is working together and in good order. The dyslexic's brain circuit is mixed up. Instead of the 4 parts working together, only 1 part does most of the work. As you can see on this model, it's broken up. So sometimes dyslexias reverse letters, like BD confusion. They often have speech delay. They have a problem remembering what they have read. And they often read slower because they need to understand what they are reading. Dyslexias most commonly have a hard time spelling, and they do mix up left and right. People with dyslexia often have above average intelligence, are social, athletic, creative, and artistic, and are good at thinking outside of the box. You can have all of these traits and not be dyslexic. The only way for sure to know is to have a special doctor called a neurologist test you. Dr. Sally Shaywitz wrote a book called Overcoming Dyslexia, and she quotes, "One thing we know for certain about dyslexia is that it is one small area of difficulty in a sea of strengths." So today I've told you how the brain of someone with dyslexia works, and also told you what Walt Disney, Will Smith, Albert Einstein, Henry Ford, Whoopi Goldberg, and George Washington all have in common. Thank you.